Welcome aboard. If you're watching this video, then let me be the first to say,
Congratulations!
you've made the wise decision to get back on your bike instead of sitting on your ass all day. But don't forget, there are good times, and there are times where it's not too good.
Oh man, this sucks.
Hey there, champ.
Who's there?
It looks like you're having some trouble there, Sonny.
What?
Over here. Dumbass.
Oh, hey, jeepers, mister. You sure scared me.
It seems like you're in a sticky situation now.
Yeah, I got a flat tire, and I don't know what to do.
You're gonna want to get back on the road as soon as possible. There are crackheads just around the corner.
Crackheads? Oh man, I don't like crackheads, mister.
Don't worry, Sonny. Fixing your bike is very easy.
Oh really? How do I do that?
Easy. Just shut up and listen.
Okay, let's do this.
The tools you'll need are a pump, an extra tube, and tire levers. If you don't have one of these items, then your ass is walking home, potentially getting raped, and mugged by dubious dope fiends.
What do I do with this stuff, mister?
Were you not paying attention? We're gonna use it to fix your bike, dumbass.
Oh, okay, well that makes sense.
Hold on, Eager McBeaver. If you want to take the tube off, first you have to take the tire off the bike. Dumbass.
Oh, silly me. My bad.
Start by pulling the lever out, then spinning it until it gets loose. If you have a derailleur, pull it back. This will release the tire. Once the wheel is off, inspect it for any debris that could have caused your flat.
Oh, I think I found it. Those silly crackheads. These guys are everywhere.
Next, find the valve. From there, you're going to want to start on the opposite side. Insert the lever on the side of the tire. After that, gently pull down. Go a few inches lower, and then add the second lever. Once they are rolled in, gently pull the lever down, and this should release the tire off the rim. After you took out the first side of the tire, the second side should come off pretty easily. Once the tube is out, properly dispose of it. Now get your inner tube out. Oh, here it is. Pump the inner tube with a little bit of air. Then place the tube into the tire. Place the valve into the rim. And just like before, put one side on, then the other. Pull back the derailleur, then insert the wheel. Of course, don't forget to tighten the wheel, or else that shit will fall off. And lastly, pump air back in your tire. Huh, what the? Here we go. There you go, champ. Good as new.
All right.
Now you're ready to get back on your adventure and do all that dumb shit that you usually do. Gee, thanks, mister. Well, the crackheads are sobering up, so I think I'm gonna leave now. Bye. Run along now, champ. I hope I don't see you again. If you guys liked what you saw, I know I did it, like and subscribe. If you want to see BikeVlogLA explore your locations, I know I don't, write it down in the comments. So as always, ride safe, ride hard, and when in doubt, ride it out.